What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another weed and grass killer, you guys. I love testing this stuff out. I actually love doing this stuff. All right, you guys. So as y'all know, I have been doing weed battles lately, so go ahead and check that out. I will be coming up with a playlist soon of my weed battles, brand versus all that stuff. I want to have a playlist so it's organized and everybody can just see like certain types of niches of stuff. So if people like looking at the weed reviews, then I will the weed killer reviews, then go ahead and I'll put that in a certain area so that way you can watch all of those type of videos. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. This is a Spectracide brand, okay? Spectracide one shot. And this is something that, you know, I seen before, but I never really tested out. You know, these companies have so many of like the same thing, you don't even know which one to get. This one says it lasts up to 4 months of protection as far as like preventing. I know some people believe that this stuff is like permanent and once you spray it, weeds should never come back, but that's not the case. Weeds come back. So it is what it is, you guys. That's just the life we live. With that being said, stuff like this do not cost that much unless you buying like straight concentration or you buying like the bigger gallon, but the bigger gallon don't even cost that much. So, you know, to make your lawn look good, to make your yard look good, to make your patio look good, you got to spend the money anyway. So that is the way it is. All right. So with that being said, this kills weeds, prevents plant growth for 5 months. So this is rainproof within 1 hour. And when you get these bottles like this, you always have to peel right here. Well, I don't know about always, but most of the time you have to peel, and then you can see the directions, how to use and stuff like that. So you got directions. All right. And the main thing that people want to know, pets and people may re-enter the treated area once spray have dried. All right. And usually when I do this, I post the directions as I talk so y'all can actually see what the company have down. So you can do it the proper way, because I know I'm probably not doing it the proper way. So, all right. So how to apply, measure the area treated, calculate total area length times width, blah, blah, blah. Nobody does that. OK, I'm just going to be honest. Nobody is calculating the square footage of their lawn when they doing this. So, or their patio. All right. So basically, one of the key things here is apply on a sunny day with temperatures above 60%, above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's like the rule with most of this stuff. When you spraying down this weed killer, preventer, and all that stuff, you usually got to spray it on a higher temperature. This stuff don't really work in the wintertime, and in the wintertime nothing's really growing anyway, so you really don't need to use it in the wintertime. All right, so I am going to go ahead and test this out, and then I will feature this in a weed battle. I will have a triple weed battle, weed and grass battle, so we will figure that out as we go. So yeah, let's go ahead and have some fun. All right, you guys, so we are here with the Spectracide one shot, and we are going to go ahead and see this in action, see how it works. All right, so here you have off, and you have to look at the top. So your top is going to indicate what it's going to spray. All right, so you have off, you have spray, you have off, you have spray, off. Oh, stream, sorry. So stream. So this is a stream spray. Make sure you wear your proper PPE, you guys. Gloves, if you need to wear goggles, just be careful with the wind blow. When it comes to like the patio, I usually just use a stream. I don't usually use spray. When it comes to like garden areas, I use a spray to get more of a wider coverage. Here I try to get more of the cracks. So I'm gonna be spraying most of this patio, you guys, because by the end of the month I want the patio clear of all weeds. So I will just be spraying this, and what I'm going to do is put y'all on a time lapse, and then we will go ahead and see how this works between now and maybe a couple of days. But this don't smell that bad, you guys, and I actually sprayed a lot, so oops. All right, so I'm going to lapse y'all, and then I'm gonna give it like 3 hours. Usually what's that one Spectracide? I think the regular Spectracide that I used to use, it gives you like that Spectracide gives you a 3-hour results or something like that. There's another one that says, you know, activates in 15 minutes or whatever, but this one don't really say. So we are going to put it on the time lapse and just see how it works in a couple of hours. All right, you guys, so the Spectracide one shot is working, is drooped down, so the weeds is dying. All right, so that will be it, you guys. This is the 24-hour results. I might wait a week, or you know what, I'll cut this video right here and I'll give you a week results on a different video. It'll be a little quick video anyway, but I'll give you a week results. If you're in the store or something and you're looking at this, you might want to see what works good in 24 hours or what works good in a week, 2 weeks or whatever, or if it works at all. All right, everyone, so we are a week later and here goes the results. Now, this was slow, what you would call it. I don't want to say slow release. Well, it has a slow reaction. Let's put it that way. So the chemical on this works a little bit slower than some other brands, but it still works. Now, this is 1 week, you guys. You have to wait 1 week. Don't expect it to look like this 24 hours. We did the 24-hour test, and we did a few days tests. Maybe it was like 3 or 4 days, but now we are absolutely a week in, and this is what it looks like. So salute to Spectracide and making this one shot right there. Now, I will feature this in a Brands Versus, you guys. So this will be featured on Brands Versus. This will be going against some of the top ones. You know, as usual, we have Spectracide versus Roundup, but you know, there's sub brands. So, you know, you got Spectracide one shot and then you have Spectracide something else. So we have Spectracide one shot against Roundup and another brand that I think is another competitor, one of the big three. So that's what it is when it comes to this, and that will be it. It's time to clean up this patio, you guys. I need my patio back because I want to start doing outside reviews again because the weather is lovely. So other than that, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.